Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're hanging out with my boy Dan. We're actually out here at Donner Lake State Park. It's like an hour away from where we're from, an hour and 20 minutes I think, but we're actually gonna drive to the very top of the mountain where you could oversee the lake, even though it's pretty foggy and moody today.
I like this weather. We should get some good shots, you know. It's about another 20-30 minutes up there.
The lake, not too bad. So let's see what today brings. Moody shots, probably get some cabin shots.
Yeah.
I actually thought it was gonna be a lot worse. It's actually pretty dry up here. If you guys saw down there, it was like, we actually had our first snowfall. It was nothing crazy, but it was some snow. First snow of the season. Oh, this is where the swing's at, dude.
Really?
Yeah, because the cabin's right there. I don't know, we could check it out on the way back, but if you guys been to Donner, I don't know where you guys are from, but if you guys ever come to Donner Lake, there's a sweet ass swing down there next to this cabin over here, and that's the only reason I know because it's so hard to find. Me and my buddy Matt Dunn found that. Shout out my boy, follow him. It's pretty sweet, so we'll check that spot out for sure. This is one of the scenic viewpoints at Donner. Looks like it's pretty windy. Danny's getting his camera ready. What are you shooting on, bro? Tell me what you're shooting on.
I'm shooting Sony A6500. I got my 12mm on. I'm using a UV filter, which I probably don't even need, to be honest.
Yeah, you won't need that. It's really cloudy. Yeah, that rig is super sick. Anyone who's wondering what I'm shooting on a Nikon D5100. Some light. I'm still need to upgrade my gear, so once we do that, content's gonna be crazy. So let's get out there and shoot. Also, it might be pretty windy, so excuse me if it sounds pretty bad. I don't have a mic yet. It's actually super windy out here. It's super cold too. Me and Danny are just gonna get a few shots. You guys will see these right now.
So about a mile till we get to the tunnels. You guys will see when we get there. It's pretty sick. It's pretty cool artwork, paintings on the walls.
A bunch of graffiti.
Yeah.
Tunnels, look right here. Pretty sweet. We're about to go down. It's windy. Got down and look in the background. The roads are nice.
Oh man, it's freezing out here.
Hell yeah, dude.
Too windy.
Too windy, but this is pretty much what the tunnels look like. There's like a whole bunch of graffiti. Not too crazy, I guess, but that's it. Got the light at the end of the tunnel. Boom. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get some bangers here. We'll probably go check out those, but
Yeah.
this is it. So cold, man. Fuck, you hit me on my fingers. This spot was dry, not good. We're about to go check out something else. Yeah.
Can't feel my fingers, my nose. It was crazy.
It's so cold, guys. No joke. Look, it says 32, but it's definitely like. What do you think it feels like with the wind? 25?
Easy.
Easy 25 maybe, but.
I don't know, I just moved from Vegas, so I still need to get used to this.
Pull up ready on the side. Oh, we can just park here and then
Gonna walk?
we'll walk.
Oh, 'cause it's like
Yeah, it's like we just gotta hike down right over here. And then there's a sick cabin right here, but I don't know. Owners are probably home. But yeah, we're about to go check out the swing.
Let's do it.
Tell me, is that not a cabin goal? Out here in the mountains, by yourself, no neighbors. You got this nice ass view. Would you guys take that cabin right there? Comment down, yes or no. I would, for sure. I'd love that cabin. So we're finally at the swing. My camera memory card's actually full, so I'm on my iPhone right now. So once we get back to the clips, we'll be back on this. So let's get some shots here, and then we'll go back and see what other spot we hit. We'll pick it up once we get there. Down there. We're at the bottom of the lake now. Gonna shoot at a dock right here, maybe that one too. Got a few cabins we might shoot. It's looking pretty moody, not too bad. Still pretty windy. Check that out. I think, man. Get some bangers. Bam. So we're actually on our way home, but we decided to stop at Eagle Rock Trail right here. We're about to start hiking up this right here. I've never actually been here, neither has Danny, but I've seen some photos and whatnot of this place, and it looks pretty sick, so let's go check it out. Finally made it to the top of Eagle Rock. It's really nice up here, as you guys can see. Check out this view. So nice. Even though it's windy and cold, it's pretty good. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.